Hey guys, today is Wheel Swap Wednesday. So, as you can see, I have a cute little golden DeLorean. This was sent to me by William Withers. I don't know what the number 18 signifies here, but guess it was some guy who thought, hey, let's have a demolition derby with a gold DeLorean. But it had gold wheels. I took those off, and I put them on this bad boy. Now, you're noticing, yeah, there's some black here, black there. I'm trying to perfect, that's really bad. I'm trying to perfect my art of doing the car lines, like the car outlines, so it looks more realistic, but as you can tell, some of them aren't really that great. But hey, it's a process. So, put them on this little Acura right here, put the gold wheels on there. It looks more Fast and Furious. So, alright guys, that's my little brief Wheel Swap Wednesday video. Hope you guys like and enjoy. There'll be more to come, because I'm getting better at wheel swapping now. Like, this car rolls perfectly, no bent axles. Same stock axle too from the DeLoreans. So, alright.